Hello, my wonderful people. Today I want to talk about this equal of. Some persons feel that if they quarrel, everything will be okay. I didn't say it's a lie, but in some cases, it's not going to be fine. But before I go on with my teaching, if you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Ijele Wani. From State Nigeria. Is where I live. Here I talk about health and spiritual tips. Here I teach you how life is made easy with herbs, roots, and animals. There are some things that if you do, if you like, borrow 100 times, it's not going to work. You still be passing through that particular thing. The way people abuse the equal law of it and the way the Somezewanis and Dibias emphasize on this equal law of a thing is much. I didn't say it's bad though, but what I'm saying is the way people are using it now is bad. I dropped a video concerning it yesterday. Then somebody, some of you will not comment on the comment section, you come to chat me privately. And I want to tell you, I don't do private lecture. Whatever you want to ask me on my page, on the comment section. Do not come and be asking me on my WhatsApp. Okay? The way when you were little, when you do something to your parents, they will flog you, some they will flog you, they will punish you by flogging you, some by shouting at you, some by punishing you, asking you to kneel down or whatever. That is the same way it is in the spiritual realm. When you commit something, there are certain types of punishment that is going to be given to you. Yes. It's not everything you do that Ikwaro can sort. No. Ikwaro will not do it. Some of you have spoiled your life recklessly during your 20s, early 20s, 30s. Then at last, you start hopping from one church to another, from one ministry to another, from one native doctor to another to seek for your solution. Why you know your solution, that you are part of your problem, but you will not tag it. Then they will not tell you to borrow, that everything will be okay. It's a lie. Most of you, what you're suffering is your karmic debt. That is what you're passing through. Yes, the law of karma exists. You might die now. What you committed, you'll carry it and die. When you reincarnate, you'll serve the punishment. That is just the worst thing about reincarnation. One of the worst things about reincarnation. You will still come back and serve it. Your karmic debt is poverty. Nobody will be able to cleanse you of that. All nature meregia, or matter. But some of the time they will not tell you the truth. I say nobody. Yes, I say some of the time, your karmic debt is not having children or not getting married. It's your own karmic debt, your own karma. Nature serve you your own karma in different way. There is no particular form serve here. Yes. So most of the things you're suffering now is as a result of what you did in your previous life. Spirituality, the deep. Yes. That is why in some cases in your life, no amount of prayer or spiritual work that they will do for you. It's not that the person did not do it well. It's because that is what nature said you're going to be. Your chi, your chi to see you pass through that. The only thing that can save you in that situation is living a good life. Make sure that see, okay, he has turned or she has turned away from this kind of thing. Let me use this thing to make him happy, or let me do this thing. And another thing your she will do for you is to beg Mother Nature to help reduce the suffering for you in that particular aspect that you're finding it difficult. Is it in money, having kids, having husband, in your health issue? It is it. So stop killing yourself. What will be will be. Ọ bụ ihe niile ka a na-arụ arụ. Amen. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment section below. See you guys on my next video and enjoy the rest of your new week. Bye.